Mm-hmm. Oops.
Another good elm tree right there.
Huh.
Probably, that one here could be a wing. There's about 3 different kinds of elm. There's an American elm, there's a winged elm, there's a slippery elm, and unless you can see the flowers, sometimes it's real hard to tell the difference. It's not hard to tell that it's an elm at all, but after that it gets a little tricky. But that one looks kind of like a winged elm. The leaves on a winged elm are smaller than those on an American or a slippery elm, and those have fairly small leaves.
Yeah.
This one right here. That's same thing.
Yeah, actually that's a little bit unusual to be in this kind of habitat, but it is a native. It's a yucca.
Uh-huh.
I don't know which species, but you tend to think of those as being more desert plants. And, but anywhere here, because the soil is sandy, and especially during these dry times, it's kind of up on a hill. It's favorable habitat for it. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know if you've ever noticed right across the road over here where the new entrance to the woods is. There's a whole bunch of yuccas that grow out there in that real open, sandy area there.
Mm.
That's probably worth marking and making a mention that it's a plant which is normally found more in the desert.
Yeah. But it seems established here.
This is sumac. It makes a really beautiful fall color. You see some tinges of it there now.
Mm-hmm.
Here's another one of those rusty black haws. Rough bark.
All right.
Well, good enough to, and here's a good sumac right here too.
Oh, yeah.
Is that enough to kind of get you started?
Oh, I think there's a project in here somewhere.
Yeah.
We just have to sort out who's going to do what and how. Oh, that's always fun.
Well, I'll be glad to